Absolutely, I support you,
No,
Jyoti.
uh, let me intervene. The first thing about arranged marriage is you are not forced to marry someone. You are told to meet him, know him in person, and then you are asked your
No, no,
permission whether
obviously
you
there
want to
are
marry or not.
cases. There
Not
are the
that it is
cases where
not
look,
like it.
arranged marriage is like an arrangement where a couples are arranged together. Okay, and
Jyoti,
sometimes they
Jyoti,
are
Arranged
influenced
marriage
to
is
marry.
in arranged
Jyoti,
marriage. Firstly, you are going away from arranged marriage topic only. Arranged marriage, your parent asks you to meet someone. You go and meet that person, and then after that you decide whether you want to go with him or not.
Jyoti ji, one minute,
तब
Exactly.
one
तब
Look,
तो
minute,
if
भाई
it is
one
पेरेंट्स
minute.
it
गलत
if
है
it if
तुम्हारे.
it if it really depends on us that we have to decide whether we should marry the person or not, so it's better that we should have a love marriage.
One minute,
If
one
it is
minute.
if it is we who has to decide, so it's better that we should go for the love marriage only, yeah. If it is
According
we
to
who
You
have to
you,
have to
decide.
put once your point and leave. You can't argue like it. Sorry.
Jyoti ji, according to
Oh,
you, in arranged marriage, the relationship is not good bounded. Good bound. Arranged marriage में प्यार होता ही नहीं.
No, I don't say
नहीं
that
है ना,
there is no
कैसे
So
existence
प्यार
of
हो
what
गया
love in the
भाई?
exactly?
Is
arranged
that
marriage.
See,
I don't say
the
that.
point of arranged
But that
marriage is कि
grows with
two
the growth
family
of time.
your
in
parents
the
had an
initial
arranged
in the
marriage or love
initial
marriage? Just tell me one thing.
what?
Your parents had an arranged marriage or love marriage?
No
it's
personal
personal?
questions. No
No
personal.
personal question. Ankit, no
Yes,
personal
ma'am.
question.
And
See
Ankit
what?
Rai, you are from BA.
लव मैरिज में अंततः
Yes,
मतलब
ma'am.
डिवोर्स भी हो जाता है, ज्यादातर ऐसे केसेस हैं.
Whosoever has not written their roll numbers, please edit your roll number.
ओह, मैम नेक्स्ट क्लास में ऐड करेंगे.
What? भाई अपने नाम पे टैप करो, रीनेम का ऑप्शन आ जाएगा, हो जाएगा इसी क्लास में. What happens in initial stage that two families come together, they talk that we have this, means like
In
two
arranged
candidates.
marriage, in arranged marriage,
Let me complete first. Let
okay.
me complete first. What happens in initial that two families come together, they talk about this and that my ward, my child, and then फिर they talk about cultural aspects, kundalis and all, and then फिर date fix होता है, उसके बाद शादी होती है, then two person, तब वो लोग साथ आते हैं, तब वो लोग साथ रहते हैं. उसके पहले से वो लोग फोन कॉल्स पे ही बात कर सकते हैं. एंड देन शादी एक बहुत मतलब लाइफ में एक बार होती है, तो नहीं टाइम मिल पाता उतना साथ रहने का. ये सब लगभग ये 6 months
हाँ
एंड 8
करो.
months और मोस्ट 1 year का प्रोसेस होता
हाउ
है.
यू कैन से एक ही
तो
बात.
फिर अच्छा, तो कितनी बार होती है जनरली?
जनरली तो एक ही बार होती है.
Donald Trump.
जनरली
Kushag,
तो
He
भाई
had
हम लोग
married
तो एक ही बार जानते हैं कि एक ही बार होती है.
he had married 4 times.
Kushag,
बार हो सकती है अपने
कुछ
मतलब
यस,
बाहर
आई एम लिसनिंग.
First
I
of
have
all, to make it short, in an arranged marriage, it is basically two families coming together and they organize a giveaway of their children, and it's just that you
Giveaway?
you just
आई एम सेइंग दैट where is the point
they
of
Think
they
love?
just
twice
basically
before
organize a giveaway
using
of their
that word,
children and
bro.
nothing else.
They
Giveaway?
surprise
Nothing else.
they throw a
And here
surprise party for their children as
Tap
They
their
are
there
marriage.
is a big
Look,
they
what
are
difference
I
saying to
believe
the
between
other
that
surprise
look,
family,
what
do
I
party
this
and
for
Every
believe
your
marriage
giveaway.
is
child.
arranged only. Ma'am, I think every marriage is arranged only. Why do I mean why we think that love marriage में family का involvement ही नहीं होता? हर marriage में
क्या
family का involvement
involvement?
होता है, and I think every
yes.
marriage is arranged.
Yes, that's why
Arranged
we
मतलब
say
होता है
also Shivam
arrange
Srivastava.
करवाना. It doesn't mean arranged marriage मतलब ये कि सिर्फ यही होगा कि पापा मम्मी ने लड़की के पापा पेरेंट्स ने लड़के के पेरेंट्स ने अलग अलग मतलब बिना जाने पहचाने वो शादी करवा दी. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आप लोग फ्रेंड्स रहे हो, गर्ल एंड बॉय फ्रेंड्स रहे हो, फैमिली भी फ्रेंड्स रहे हो, आप लोग को प्यार हुआ, हो गया शादी, फैमिली जान गई, ये भी तो अरेंज मैरिज हुआ ना. एवरी मैरिज इज अरेंज्ड, वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड इट.
No, every marriage is not arranged marriage. In
No,
arranged
yeah, not,
marriage,
not.
the-
केसेस होते हैं, कुछ
Again,
केसेस
arranged
होते हैं
no
ना,
And
जहाँ
what is
family
it
नहीं
is
मानती,
defined on the
जहाँ, you know,
basis
like,
what is
तुम
that
kids में
bride
प्यार
and
हुआ,
groom?
My session
Very,
for
very,
in arranged
very
marriage,
true.
your
There are
parents
marriages in
Okay,
temples as well.
Finally
We're
decide.
talking about the whole India, है ना? We're talking about the whole India. Keep that in mind, okay? आज भी ऐसी बहुत सारी जगह हैं जहाँ पे the girl doesn't know कि who she is going to be married, you know,
yes ma'am,
right?
Yes,
बस
ma'am.
respect की बात
And ma'am,
करिए।
and ma'am, वैसे भी जो point ये बोल रहा है उसके
they are
according
not
ma'am,
allowed to refuse
love
even.
love
They are
love
they are
marriage और
forced to
arranged marriage
marry.
define होता है bride और groom के relationship पे
You
True,
can
such
go
a
to
point
court
नहीं
at
रखना है,
any
एक
day,
चीज के
bro.
पीछे पड़ गए हैं,
If you are
okay?
not allowed to choose.
करिए कुछ।
One minute, ma'am, 1 minute.
It
Ma'am,
seems
ma'am.
like
Next point,
everyone is taking out their frustration.
हाँ, correct. What was that? Come on, put a fresh point.
1 minute, ma'am, 1 minute.
मैम लव मैरिज के पक्ष में बहुत कम लोग हैं, इसीलिए डिबेट अच्छी हो नहीं पा रही।
अच्छा
ये
ऐसा
सही बात
बहुत
है।
जगह तो हैं, बहुत है भाई।
सही बात।
मैम
Most
अगर
of the
आपका
people
जब
are
तक
for
लव
love
हुआ नहीं है
Marriage
तब
only
तक
where
अरेंज मैरिज
these
I am
guys
in
getting
support
girls
of
to
I am in
marry,
support
leave
of
it
love marriage.
arrange or
Who said
love.
that there are less?
1 minute. And I have one question from the all people who are in love marriage. I
No
ask my
one is
question.
in
we are
love
in support of
marriage.
love marriage.
Yes, yes,
No
yes.
one is in love
Yes,
marriage. No
please
one is
ask.
married
No,
yet.
I am.
I have one
I
question.
am.
No one. Yes.
One minute,
You are married?
Okay.
I'm not married yet. I'm in the favor
One
of
minute.
love marriage. That's what I'm speaking.
I'm
Okay,
also
That's
in the
what I
favor of
said.
love
Everyone is in
marriage.
favor or against. No one
I want
is
to ask my
in love
question.
marriage or
भावनाओं को
arranged marriage.
समझो, भावनाओं को समझो, उसको
tell me one
पूछने
thing.
दो एटलीस्ट।
Guys,
मुझे question पूछने दो एक।
please listen.
Let's
Tell me one
suppose-
thing. Will
let's
your
suppose-
parents
one minute.
ever think bad about you? Tell me.
Satyam. 1 minute. I want to ask my
Your
question.
parents
Let's suppose
think bad
you
about
are
you,
in relationship.
or
हाँ,
can think at all?
देख,
Then how you can
सत्यम,
think that they are
सत्यम,
going
एक मिनट भाई, भाई, सुन।
They're speaking together.
You are in a relationship, but your parents can't give the permission to get a love marriage. Then what should you do? मुझे इसका
Go
आंसर दे
to
दीजिए।
court.
Go to court.
Of course, I'll convince them.
No.
Of course,
First,
yes,
first
yes,
we
I'll
will
be
try to
convincing
convince our
them.
parents. If not, then we need to go with our partner because we have promised her that we are going to be with him.
भाई अभी किसी ने कोर्ट
Then we'll
बोला।
come back to parents also. We are not going to leave our parents. But
नहीं,
love is
नहीं।
not anything that you buy and you leave. It is an emotion which can't be controlled. Thank you.
नहीं भाई अभी किसी ने कोर्ट बोला, मैं उससे एक सवाल और पूछना चाहता हूँ। थोड़ा ये
अरे
सोचो।
शुरू।
Can I ask Shivam Srivastava a question?
Yeah, sure, brother, sure.
Gentlemen, what is love marriage? Can you please define if every marriage is arranged, then what is love marriage? You just said, if you please explain.
Love marriage is that marriage which people
You
do
said that every
in
marriage is
temples and
arranged.
all.
No, I'm just asking, what is love marriage then?
That's what I'm replying. No,
Love
love marriage is that one where
before
the
having
where
marriage, you
the
are in love
family.
with each other.
अंकित आपको
Sorry.
हे भगवान।
शिवम आप बोलो, शिवम भाई बोलो आप।
देखो, let me explain. We must understand that what does choosing a partner means. I'm telling your answer. What does choosing a partner means? Look, in future, आप career में आप देखते हैं कि ऐसे
Are you asking or are you
telling me the answer?
I'm telling na bro, just wait na. काफी ऐसी चीजें आएंगी जो like आप
I said, are you asking or
इसके
are you
पार्टनर से
telling
बता सकते हो, वो भी ऑपोजिट पार्टनर के। आप कुछ ऐसा चूज करते हो, आप शुरू से ऐसे क्राइटेरियाज बनाते हो, यू मेक द क्राइटेरियाज कि इस पे अगर वो बंदी या बंदा बैठ गया, सही हो गया तो ओके इट्स गुड, कंटिन्यू करेंगे। तो प्यार इज लाइक आपने देखा कि यार ये वो बंदा है, ये वो बंदी है, दैट इज द करेक्ट पर्सन जिससे वो दिल का कनेक्शन मिल रहा है। आप खुद को समर्पित कर देते हो सामने वाले को। इट्स वी मस्ट इन्फैचुएशन, अभी किसी ने कहा था इन्फैचुएशन मतलब आपके पास जो है आप उसे वो देते हो, बट ट्रू लव मींस आपने खुद को सामने वाले को दे दिया। लव मैरिज में आप ये मत सोचिए कि लव हुआ, पेरेंट्स नहीं माने तो भाग के शादी कर ली, दैट इज लव मैरिज। नो, मैं उसके अगेंस्ट हूं। लव मैरिज मींस लाइक आपको प्यार हुआ, भले ही आप दूसरे रिलीजन को क्या हो तो क्या हुआ, दूसरे कास्ट के हो तो क्या हुआ, आप अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करिए, दे विल अंडरस्टैंड। पेरेंट्स को क्या चाहिए, हमारा लड़का या हमारी लड़की जहां शादी हो रही हो खुश रहे, लड़का कमाने वाला हो, लड़की या लड़के के पेरेंट्स अच्छे हो, आप पेरेंट्स को बताइए, वो मिलेंगे, अरेंज हो गया, और क्या फर्क हुआ?
I want to put up a point. Shivam, I want to say you.
सोसाइटी
when
को
you are
देखना
saying
पड़ता
this,
है।
शिवम भाई,
hello Shivam, I want to put a point.
Yeah,
When
yeah,
you
sure.
are saying this, that everybody should talk about this to their parents, and parents will understand because they want their children to be happy. My dear, there are parts in country where girls are even not allowed to ask whom they are getting married to. They are forced to marry. There are children who are even forced to marry before 18 years age, and at that in that situation, you are saying that they should talk to their parents that okay, I want to marry this person. How
हाँ तो
can it be?
तो अभी तो उससे
that is
प्यार नहीं हुआ ना, I'm
that
talking
is the
about
very
जिनका हो चुका है। I'm not saying कि love marriage is necessary, आप करो ही
yes
करो,
yes that
हो
is the
जाता
very
है,
problem we have to fight with ना।
काफी
If someone
अदर
is
ऑप्शंस
already
भी
in
हैं, वो
love, no,
किसी
if
और
हाँ
से
तो
someone is
that is the
already
very
in love,
problem we have to fight with।
अरे
उस
look, we are not
लड़की
in
के
favor.
पेरेंट्स इस तरीके से हुई है।
Basically, Shivam Shrivastava,
Thank
Shivam
you.
Shrivastava, excuse me,
Yeah.
pardon, sorry.
एक मिनट आप चुप हो जाओ भाई,
Basically, we
चुप हो
don't
जाओ भाई।
mean that. We really don't mean from love marriage that we have to go, just we have to convince our partner that okay, so we should leave the house or like that. We basically mean in the love marriage, okay, that there is a love before marriage, and
Yeah.
and this is what basically actually the love marriage means. You're just telling us the definition of it, or like how we should convince our parents and that we shouldn't run. Yeah, we all know of that.
You know,
We're basically
you know,
debating. We basically here are debating about love marriage and the arranged marriage. We're not just talking about that what should be.
I have
No,
question. I have
that
question.
guy
We are
asked,
not.
I don't know his name. He said that what's the difference between love marriage and arranged marriage? I was telling that only. कि love marriage and arranged marriage just mean that शादी से पहले, marriage से पहले love हो गया. That's different. I mean, that's the only difference.
Whether you are on arranged marriage or
That
on
is
love
not
marriage.
even
You can't
acceptable
stand
in
on both the
current
topics.
India, in many parts of the world. Girls are blamed that how can you love someone when we are present to choose your groom and everything. There is not so simple criteria, dear. There are many parts.
Kisa.
What I think we are not clear with the concept of love.
That's a different point.
Yeah, so
1 minute. If you love anyone, according to you, कि लड़कियों को हमेशा ब्लेम दिया जाता है कि उन्होंने प्यार क्यों किया, तो ये सोच लीजिए कि आपने प्यार क्यों किया। आपके माँ बाप हैं, आपका फ्यूचर वो सोचेंगे, वो आपको
No personal questions here. Generalize करके बोलो, but
मैं बोल
You
रहा
are
हूँ,
going
सुनो एक मिनट।
orthodox, Ansh. You are going seriously orthodox. Please.
आई एम नॉट ऑर्थोडॉक्स। 1 मिनट। अभी किसी ने मैंने बोला कि ये बताओ, अगर माँ बाप ने मना कर दिया तो आप जाके कोर्ट मैरिज करोगे। ये बताओ, जो आपको अपने 9 महीने अपने कोख में रख के आपको पाला।
अरे यार तुम क्या बोल रहे हो भाई?
अरे भैया
Not childish, yeah. We all know of that.
It's
So
so
to
हम पहले जाओ,
simple and ethical values.
हम पहले जाओ यहाँ
we
से।
all know these.
Please don't go that high, yaar. Please don't go that high. Just do our debate. Don't go that
The
high.
topic is love marriage versus arranged marriage. Which is
हाँ, मैं
better?
बताऊं, अगर मेरा सुनो भाई, अगर मेरा
First, you
पॉइंट
guys
गलत
be
होगा
clear
तो
with
मैं
your
बोलूंगा
whether
नहीं।
you are in favor
मेरा
or
पॉइंट
against
गलत
of
होगा
this.
मैं बोलूंगा नहीं। मेरा पॉइंट
भाई
गलत
तुम
होगा मैं
पर्सनल जा
बोलूंगा।
रहे हो।
हाँ तुम
नहीं,
मत
मेरा point
बोलो,
गलत
तुम
होगा मैं
चुप
बोलूंगा।
सच
रहो,
एग्जांपल ना।
सुनो मैं
Don't give
बताऊं,
बोलो
orthodox
मत,
example.
बिल्कुल
आपने
चुप।
एक मिनट, आप लव मैरिज की बात करते हो, आप अपने लव के चक्कर में आप अपने माँ बाप को छोड़ दोगे?
यार
माँ बाप
once again you are going
Love
that
doesn't mean कि आप love के
Who
चक्कर
is
में माँ
saying
बाप को
this?
छोड़
कि
दो।
we are leaving our parents because of our love?
अभी किसी
Who
ने
is
हम
saying
दोनों को
this?
साथ लेके चल सकते हैं भाई।
अभी किसी ने बोला कि हम कोर्ट मैरिज कर लेंगे।
अब आप इसी के बेसिस पे अब आप सबको
भाई
जज कर
टॉपिक
नहीं
ही
सकते।
चेंज कर दे रहे हो तुम तो।
Listen,
मैरिज कर लेंगे तो छोड़ के मम्मी को थोड़ी चले जाएंगे।
इसको चुप कराओ पहले,
मान लो आप
इसको
कोर्ट
चुप
मैरिज
कराओ।
कर
भाई डिस्कशन खराब हो रहा है मैम।
पर्सनल
चुप,
टॉपिक पुट कर रहे हो।
दिल का दरिया।
Those who say that
Listen.
if you do not accept the parents, then
you
you
are
run
debating.
and make it
तुम
easy.
तो लग रहा भैया बोलते बोलते सो जाओगे, लेकिन बोलना है तुमको।
I want to put a new point.
न्यू पॉइंट
Please.
यही
If
है।
you go with love marriage,
Listen, I say something, brother.
listen,
Those who
bro. I want to put a new
Speak,
new
bro.
point. If we go with a love marriage, then the best evil of society is dowry system is end up and caste system also. What do you think about this?
Yeah, 90 I absolutely support
That's the
Sonu.
only reason
90%
parents
marriages
don't
in
allow
India
for
are
love
arranged
marriage
marriages.
because
What
of
is
caste
there
system
speaking in
only.
between?
Still in the love marriage.
Ankit,
Dowry system is still in
Ma'am,
the love
please
marriage. You
mute
can
them.
see that.
God damn it.
केरला के हाई कोर्ट ने भी ये आदेश दिया था, कहा था, उन्होंने जजमेंट अपना पास किया था कि लव मैरिज इज नॉट बैड थिंग। आप किसी भी कास्ट में किसी भी रिलीजन में लव कर सकते हैं।
या बट उनके जजमेंट से हमारे फैमिलीज का जो परसेप्शन है, जो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, वो नहीं चेंज हो जाता है। ऐसे तो बहुत सी चीजें जजमेंट पास होते हैं और ऐसा कुछ नहीं
The
होता है।
mentality of the
तो
people cannot be
डाउरी
changed.
भी बैन है भाई, वो भी नहीं होना चाहिए।
Just
Exactly, dowry भी ban है।
just
और अब
I think मैम द टॉपिक इज लाइक व्हाट्स आई मीन लव मैरिज वर्सेस अरेंज मैरिज। तो हमें ये डिस्कस करना चाहिए कि क्या इसके मेरिट्स एंड डीमेरिट्स हैं।
Yeah.
मैम वी आर फाइटिंग हम तो
We are
मेरिट
taking
ऑफ द
our-
लव मैरिज
पहले भाई तुम अपने पॉइंट से तो क्लियर हो, तुम दोनों पॉइंट में बोल रहे हो कि तुम्हारा लव मैरिज है कि अरेंज मैरिज है। एवरीबॉडी मस्ट बी क्लियर विद देयर पॉइंट्स।
Priyansh ji,
किस
he is
side पे है
right.
वो?
Priyanshu ji, Shivam is right. He tells that every marriage is arranged marriage. If you can't run with your partner, क्योंकि अगर आप
हाँ
सिर्फ माता पिता
Who
मान
is
गए,
running?
इसका मतलब भाई भाग के शादी करना
भाई
नहीं होता
क्या
है।
तुम लोग नहीं I want
भाई,
सुनो सुनो
Who is
अगर
running?
आप
कुशाल
you are just changing the definition of love marriage in arranged marriage.
नहीं अभी आपने
Ansh?
शिवम का
You're going
Ma'am,
off
Ansh?
track right
Ansh
now.
Pratap Singh?
It's
Ansh?
Yes, ma'am.
not the discussion.
yes ma'am,
अंश,
yes ma'am,
हाँ, आप क्या करेंगे? अरेंज मैरिज?
yes ma'am,
अरेंज मैरिज करेंगे?
yes ma'am,
मैम लव मैरिज हो भी ना रही हमारी, क्या कर
yes ma'am,
आप ही
first year,
बताओ।
first year.
What is this, Ankit Rai? Arrange marriage? You will do arrange marriage, na?
Yes ma'am,
हाँ?
yes ma'am.
थर्ड ईयर तक यही स्टेटमेंट रहेगा ना आपका?
मेरा मैम, मेरा मैम, मेरा ओपिनियन मैम, आप थर्ड ईयर की बात करती हैं।
थर्ड ईयर तक
मेरी
यही
तो-
स्टेटमेंट रहेगा? यस और नो?
yes मैम,
हाँ?
आप थर्ड ईयर, yes मैम, आप थर्ड ईयर की बात कर रही हैं। मेरा थर्ड ईयर करने के बाद 2 साल सिविल सर्विसेज की तैयारी, 2 साल सिविल सर्विसेज के बाद 5 साल मतलब 1-2 साल एसडीएम की तैयारी, उसके बाद तक ओपिनियन रहेगा कि आई
तैयारी
एम
चलती रहेगी
मुश्किल
क्या?
है।
उसके बाद छोटे
personal, bro. Bro, I don't believe in
यही रहेगा,
future.
फैसला भले
ही बदल जाए।
मेरा मैम को कुछ मिनट पहले मैम का डिस्कशन होने तो बाद
इतना
wait,
वक्त
wait.
सीए बनने में नहीं लगता।
Ansh,
yes ma'am,
your future is bright.
suppose you don't want to marry that girl, है ना? Due to
Yes,
some
ma'am.
reason, you
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
want to marry that girl, है ना? So what will you do?
Ma'am,
The one which your parents chose for you, you don't want to marry that girl due to some reasons. There are some reasons you don't want to marry that girl. Then what will you do? You are so
सुनिए
so
सुनिए
good
मैम, मैं
boy.
बताता हूँ। मैं अपने परिवार के खिलाफ कभी नहीं जाऊंगा।
In English.
Wow, great.
अरे परिवार के खिलाफ जाने का क्या मतलब है?
मैम
हम
आपने
कहेंगे
कहा
परिवार से
कि
भाग लाइए और क्या?
अगर that girl is not
हाँ.
which is presented in me, that is not, I am not ready with married, तो मैम मेरे माता पिता उसको लाएंगे ही नहीं, मेरे माता पिता उसी को लाएंगे जो मेरे काबिल होगा।
अरे I'm asking something.
Oh my God.
लाना तुम्हें है तुम्हारे माता पिता को।
Very orthodox.
क्या पता आप उसके लिए काबिल ना हो। क्या
पहले
पता आप उसके
काबिल
लिए
तो
काबिल
बनना
ना
हो।
हो।
राम राम।
पहले काबिल तो अरेंज मैरिज करते हैं सब। भाई अरेंज मैरिज करेंगे।
कलयुग के
I
राम।
know. Ansh is that son
प्रताप सिंह।
that every mother dreams of. That ideal
Yeah,
son
that's
is Ansh. Ideal son, ideal son.
मैं काट लूंगा, बता रहा हूँ।
I am
Suppose
not idle son, but I can't go against my father, mother, my family's options,
Father,
because
mother,
I
my
know
family
that
और-
We all
I
can't.
am
We all
Love
everything.
marriage
No,
is not
wait,
about
wait,
going
उच्च
against
विचार।
your parents.
यार
It's not about
अब भाई
going
लव कोई ऐसी
against
चीज
or
नहीं होती है
Bro,
कि आप
marriage
किसी
तुम्ही को
को
तो करना है ना।
compatible होता है. You just fall in love.
Tell me,
भाई
brothers,
sorry guys,
tell me, brothers,
wait,
if you do
Ansh,
not accept,
Ansh. I have not yet completed. Okay.
okay ma'am, again.
So you are going to marry that girl, though you don't like that girl due to some reasons, but you are going to marry that girl, है ना? Because your
Yes, ma'am.
parents are saying that's why.
And
Yes, ma'am.
destroy your life as well.
अंकित भाई चुप रहो यार,
Consider-
2 मिनट। मैम पूछिए ना, मैम को बोलने दो पहले। ओके मैम बोलिए
Is
आगे।
it how much like is it possible?
Why not, ma'am? It's possible.
Is it?
That's what has been happening in India
Wow.
since very
मैम जब
long.
कोई नहीं मिलता तो हम सब पॉसिबल हो जाता है।
भाई मिलने के बाद
अरे
Excuse
अरे
me,
अरे
ma'am.
अरे
भाई 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 भाई
ये योगेंद्र अपना दर्द मत लगा यहाँ पे।
Yogendra.
Excuse me, ma'am. योगेंद्र
डोंट
के
शेयर योर पेन हियर।
हाँ
दिल का
Ma'am, I
दरिया
would
बह
like
ही
to
गया।
speak.
पर्सनल जा रहा है लड़का।
Yeah,
Personal
I am waiting for my turn too.
वेट यू विल गेट द टर्न।
silence
Keep
I
everyone.
waiting.
don't think
Silence.
so.
Silence.
Answer explain यार।
क्या
Ma'am, may I
क्वेश्चन तो
speak?
पूछे भाई।
Explain.
Anyone ask question?
Aditi, you speak.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
मैम
Wait. Let her speak first, and nobody is going to speak in between. If you speak,
ma'am.
then -1 from here. Now you dare to speak in between.
yes ma'am.
Okay.
Oh.
Ma'am, I would like to say that marriage is an institution and marriage can end up two ways. It can either work or it can end in a divorce. So, and possibilities are there that a love marriage and an arranged marriage, both of them can end in a divorce. So, in a love marriage, when it ends in a divorce, the blame, so called blame, goes to the partners who choose each other that they were not able to work themselves out. And in arranged marriage, the blame goes to the parents and all the relatives and the pundits and whatever thing, everything. The blame goes to them.
पंडित
So, ma'am, I believe कैसे ऑब्वियसली कैसे है क्योंकि जब अरेंज मैरिज होगी तो आपका जो जो भी डिसीजन है जैसे मिलाया गया है लेट्स गो
Don't answer them. Don't answer them.
हेलो एम आई ऑडिबल
यस यू आर।
yes
okay
Yes.
so I was saying that in arranged marriages the blame goes towards the parents who have chosen them and who have put them together. Let us go back 20 years back. Okay, I'm taking the example of 20 years back when when the families have too many children, like 9 or 10 children, and there was a duty of just marrying off the girls and the boys and just settling them with anyone and everyone, just fulfilling the duty. So if you go back at that time when the social norms were such that you cannot even take a divorce even if the marriage was not working out, because of all the family pressure, and the reputation of the family will be like filthy, like
At
they
stake.
won't be
At
good
stake.
anymore. So let me speak please. So this is the main thing. I believe that one should do love marriages or take the decisions in their own hands so that they do not have their parents to blame for the rest of the life or for whatever goes wrong in the marriage, that they did not choose the right person. You will have your own decision that yes, it was my fault and that is why I choose this person and it did not work out. So that is, I think, a very good reason to go for love marriages so that you don't have your parents or any third party to blame for whatever is going on in your life. Now you may speak.
Yeah, absolutely right. And one more question we need to ask is that we need to ask ourselves actually that whether our life is ours or whether our life is our parents, who is in charge of our
Very
lives.
very
We need to
important.
ask
Yes, you
ourselves
said a
that.
very important point because those two people have to live with each other and not the parents. So
Yeah,
those two people have to support each other through thick and thin. So it is a very important decision that who are you committing, who is the person that you are committing to, and your parents don't know about you. Like most of the parents don't know about their children very much, which is the sad
None of
reality.
them know about any children there.
Yeah.
damn true.
So it is a fact that your parents don't know you. You know yourself and you should take decision for yourself. Your parents should
Yeah.
be involved in that decision, but the major input should be from yourself because it is your life and not your parents' life.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I want to interject. Ma'am, shall I?
Please,
you
Ansh,
may.
let me speak.
Okay, आप बोलो फिर मैं बोलूँ.
Okay, I am for the arranged marriage. Just like Aditi said, that the marriage doesn't work out, so we don't have to blame our parents. So the main point is why does the marriage doesn't work out, like in a love marriage? The reason is that when there is a love marriage, that love
which is between the couple, it eventually fades as the year goes by. Why? Because the partners, they have that thinking, or they that the peak of love, it eventually fades because they enter love marriages with a expectation, like the passionate love, the romantic feeling that they have right now will be the same when they'll get married. But the situation eventually changes. They have responsibilities, everything. So this is the reason why love marriages doesn't work out. And one thing that I have seen most of the time, or I have read, is that in love marriages people don't like to adjust. There is a blame game, that I am the best, you are the one who is responsible for all the mistakes that is happening between us. Whereas in arranged marriage, there is no such thing. People, the partners, the couples work on their mistake. As it is said that great marriage is not when the perfect couple, the so-called perfect couple, they come together. It is when, and
Sorry.
please let me speak. You will get
Yeah,
your
sorry.
time.
Yeah.
It is when an imperfect couple, they learn to enjoy their differences. This is where a marriage works out, and that is why the divorce rate of arranged marriage is much less than the love marriage. That's all.
I partially agree with your point, Mahima.
So basically,
Why are you
You
so
may,
partial?
excuse me,
you may
everybody.
speak, Arjun Sethi.
Mahima,
Okay.
excuse me. Mahima,
Excuse.
you basically mean to say that in arranged marriages, we have our parents to be blamed if it not last. Okay, so what about the couples here? What about the life of the couples? Yeah, even if there is a parents to be blamed, what about the couples if the marriage didn't last? There is there is hardly any understanding, any compatibility. And there's just any adjustment that you are making. Even if the arranged marriage lasts also, how is it possible to seek happiness over there? And how come you can say that love marriage didn't last? It lasts. Even if the arranged marriage lasts, we can't seek happiness there. There are the very
And
rare
how
cases
can you
that
say? How can you say? Sparks
Excuse
fade away
me.
as time goes by.
She's talking about the love done on the basis of physical
Wait,
appearance.
Many
she
successful
asked,
love
One
she
minute, one
asked,
minute.
Let her
Jyoti
speak.
asked Mahima.
Speak at
Excuse
once.
me.
Jyoti has asked this question to Mahima. Okay.
I want to ask a question to Mahima.
Response.
Mahima, please listen. That you said that in most of
One by
cases
one,
there
one by
was.
one. Wait. First, let Jyoti ask whatever she's asking. Then you can ask. Okay, Shreya.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Please. Yes, Jyoti. Please.
Yes, ma'am. I finished, ma'am. I wanted an answer from my ma'am.
Pardon, Jyoti, can you please repeat the question?
I really didn't ask you any question. I just gave you a statement that even if the the arranged marriage didn't last, and you said that it is the parents on whom we can place the blame. So what about the couples here? They have lost their, precious time. They have lost their, those arrangements, those thread of the sacred life. They have lost it. So that compatibility and understanding which should be in the marriage, we really don't find it. And they are just adjusting. Even if the arranged marriage exists, it is hardly there when we seek an happiness over there. And since love marriage, it may last, yeah.
And in arranged marriage,
As Mahima said, that in love marriage there is the spark is no more, the spark and the relation breaks. How can she justify that as time goes by the sparks end? There are many successful love marriages and unsuccessful arranged marriages. To say about the spark, and in many arranged marriage there is only adjustment and just burden of life, and they spend their life adjusting throughout.
Excuse me. Can I intervene?
Sorry to interrupt.
Particularly to one particular person. Can I analyze
Mahima Pandey.
One minute, I want
एक second.
I want to ask a question to Mahima. As she said that in most of cases there are divorce in love marriages, but not in much less in arranged marriages. Because I want to ask that why arranged marriages are not in divorce, because there is a lots of pressure on of society in couples that they have to live with them,
Stay
with
together.
the partner, with the partner whom whom she not like and he or not like. There is a more pressure for them
What
to
society will think, and what will society think if
what
we will end
society will think
relationship?
if we end our relationship in divorce.
And families
Sorry.
also pressurize couples
And
that you should stay
yeah,
together.
Sorry to
families also
people, sorry.
pressurize people.
Most of the pressure, and most of the pressure is always on girls that you should adjust, you should always compromise. This is the work
Always
of
the
girls
girl's
to
mother says
compromise.
this to girls while living.
I agree.
Ma'am, shall I say something?
One thing more. Wait. Please, I mean, what's her name? She said of something like in the love marriage, it fades away, there is no spark. But I must say, this is such a stereotype thinking. Sorry, this is such a stereotype thinking because yeah, you're talking of physical relationship. It's not a physical relationship that we're talking of. It's just a love. It's just a, the soul.
I
You
never
said
gave the
so. Sorry.
statement. I never gave the statement about the physical relation, the
But you mean
emotional
that.
one.
You
You
said
mean that.
You
wait.
There's no spark. You mean that. You said so,
interpreted
yeah.
that.
You must accept.
I did.
You said so.
I didn't say. I
Jyoti,
didn't
you are
say
just
spark.
allowed to interject. Let her say a
I
point. You cannot
I
argue.
didn't say spark. I said the passionate, the romantic feeling. That doesn't
Mahima
mean
said
that
that the
physical
love fades away.
fades. I never said that spark word.
The
You
love also
misinterpreted
fades away
that.
in
By the
arranged
way,
marriage.
wait. I think we are shifting towards love and all, but the topic is love marriage or arranged marriages. We are
I have
like
one question.
taking it to another way, I think.
Love fades away in the
And
in
for
love,
that thing,
love marriage. Wait.
excuse me,
Ma'am,
but infatuation fades away, but love doesn't.
ma'am. Excuse me. I want one question from
And you
Aditi.
need to ask yourself what you are into.
One minute. I have one question from Aditi. Aditi, you listen me?
Yeah,
Aditi,
everyone.
Yes.
You said that most of the parents does not know about their children. Yes or not? Yes, na?
Yes.
आप ये किस बिहार पे कह सकते हैं कि
Let
माँ
Aditi
बाप
speak.
अपने बच्चे को नहीं समझ सकती? एक मिनट, मैं सिर्फ अदिति से आंसर चाहूंगा, बाद में सब देना। आप किस बिहार पे कह सकती हो कि एक माँ बाप अपने बच्चों को नहीं समझ सकते?
समझना एंड जानना इज डिफरेंट
तुम
थिंग.
तो वहीं पर पड़े हो यार, माँ बाप बच्चों को नहीं
पढ़ने वाली बात
समझते.
नहीं,
Please, you can justify the statement in a better way.
A bit of way नहीं, ये मुझे बहुत बुरी लगी इनकी लाइन कि माँ बाप अपने बच्चों को नहीं समझ सकते.
He's asking a genuine question. He's asking a genuine question. Let Aditi answer it.
No, it's not
जानना
a
एंड समझना इज डिफरेंट थिंग.
The question is of the topic first of all. The question is of the topic first of
अच्छा,
all.
एक मिनट. आप इस क्वेश्चन का मुझे मतलब समझाइए कि the most of the parents does not understand their children or does not know their children. इसका आंसर बताइए आप.
Most of the
does not
parents
know
don't
their
understand
children
their
come-
children because of the generation gap. They don't try to. Most of the parents don't even try to understand.
According to you that एक मिनट according to you that your mom dad तुम मतलब अपने माँ बाप से तुम ज्यादा समझती हो.
भाई तुम
Not
क्यों
like
personal
in
हो जा रहे
that way. भाई fiction नहीं चाहिए
वो
इसको.
कहने का मतलब ये नहीं है.
नहीं
She is
भैया,
only saying that he has a generation gap between us.
You are taking so.
May I speak?
हम लोग पूरे इंडिया के बेसिस पे बात करें, इंडियन फैमिलीज के बेसिस पे. तुम एक को पकड़ ले रहे हो. That's not good.
She is only saying that is a generation gap and it is a truth.
श्रवण कुमार, तुम पहले जाओ यहाँ से.
करो यार.
मेरे पॉइंट का आंसर दे दो, मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. बस ये बताओ.
मैं बोलने तो दो मुझे.
मैं कोई नहीं दे रहा, तुम जाओ.
Parents are unable to understand what is our point. So they think, and even if we try to put our point, they think we are arguing. So that is why there is not so much understanding between us.
A generation gap between them and us.
See.
एक मिनट.
There are parents too who understand. So not we must not stick to one phase only. There are also parents who understand their children. This is also.
May I speak?
But we are
Ansh,
talking
may I
about India.
speak?
We are not talking about India.
Let Aditi speak, please.
एक मिनट, अभी आपने कहा जनरेशन गैप, मेरा एक छोटा
Please
सा क्वेश्चन।
let
भाई
her
बोल
speak.
लेने दे
Please,
यार
I
उसे।
beg you. Please let her
Aditi,
speak.
Please
बोल
wait.
ले।
Aditi, speak now.
Okay, so I want to speak that when I said that our parents don't know us, I meant that, see, during our, like, when the, like, when we are in college or when we are in high school, we go through experiences in our life which we are not comfortable to tell our parents. You might have not gone through such experiences, but almost everyone goes through such experiences. They have some traumas in their life, or they have faced such things that they might not feel comfortable to tell their parents, and so the parents don't know the backstory, and many do not feel comfortable enough to tell them because there is not the environment
Because of
doesn't
the
exist
generation gap.
in the house.
Exactly.
Okay, the environment does not exist in the house where you can approach your parents to speak on those topics. Many live in a joint family where the communication is so less, and the environment is not such that you may go and speak to your parents about your life and the issues that you face in your life during that age, like the time when you're growing up. So, and those issues or those traumas stay with your life, and you cannot, just fade it away. Like, it doesn't fade away. So I'm talking about those things our parents do not know exactly ki hua kya hai aakhir. So your
1 minute.
decisions or how you are approaching life is based on those events that took place in your life, and so you should choose the partner that you want to live with or that you want to commit on your own, and not on the basis of what your parents think is good for you, because you know yourself better. Or if you are so lost
You
and you
have
do not
some
know what
personal
you want for
experience.
yourself, then you can obviously approach your parents and seek their decision. You should always seek their knowledge because they know more than you. But
Aditi,
obviously
you
you
know,
should.
Aditi, 1 minute. You know, I have joint family. मेरी बहुत बड़ी फैमिली है, but I share every and छोटी छोटी बात मैं अपनी मम्मी से शेयर करता हूँ। तो ये बताओ, क्या माँ बाप अपने बच्चों पे भरोसा नहीं करेंगे इसका मतलब?
भाई
Are you
सबकी
any
कंडीशन एक
president
जैसी
for
नहीं
the
है,
whole
सबकी
country,
कंडीशन
bro?
तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स की तरह नहीं है भाई।
Everyone is not
Can
Are
I
you a
answer?
Is the point,
representative of
ma'am?
the
You
whole
said that you'll be
country?
giving the
पूरी
point.
country तुम ही है, तुम जो कर रहे हैं सब कर
पर्सनल
रहे
नहीं
हैं।
डिस्कस करना है भाई,
Can
टॉपिक
I
डिस्कस
answer
करो,
on
तुम
your
पर्सनल क्यों
behalf?
डिस्कस करना?
पूरी इंडिया से
तो
We
यार
are not talking about
Hans, don't go personal, bro. You have to
Ash.
stick.
भाई यहाँ तुम्हारी फैमिली की बात नहीं चल
Ash,
रही
can I answer your question?
ओके पूछो भाई,
यार
पूछो।
Ash, listen.
आप पर्सनल नहीं कर यार, फिर वो जो कर रहा है वही तुम भी कर रही हो।
किसा क्या मैंने किताब से जल्दी नहीं पढ़ता, यूट्यूब बहुत छोटी बात है भाई। आगे
No, it's not like that.
दिल का दरिया बह ही गया।
No, it
ये
is not like
PUBG
that.
वाला है क्या?
I'm sorry to interrupt in between, मैम। पॉइंट क्या हुआ मैम? BCA कितना, BA कितना मैम? बिकॉज वी हैव डिस्ट्रैक्टेड।
यस मैम।
1000
मैम एक बार पॉइंट बता दी तो सब पॉइंट पे आ जाएंगे।
बीसीए जीत गया।
बीसीए जीत गया।
बीए इतनी जल्दी जीतने नहीं देगा।
बोलने दो मैम को।
भाई बीए में हम सीएम अकेले तुम लोगों के बराबर
तुम ही जज बन जाओ भाई।
मेरे को क्यों
तुम हो ही
लपेट रहा
ना
है?
चाचा, तुम्हारी अलग लीग चल रही है।
Excuse me,
तुम
ma'am.
खुद को ना
Hello.
गिनो।
What is this? What is
Excuse
this?
me, ma'am. Ma'am.
How you people are talking?
Ma'am.
Behave.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम यहाँ कम्युनिकेशंस में मैम बीसीए वर्सेस बीएससी या बीए हो रहा है, या अपने लव मैरिज और अरेंज मैरिज पे पॉइंट रखना था सिर्फ कम्युनिकेशंस पे?
वो योगेंद्र भाई हम फोन करेंगे तो बताएंगे।
मैं मैम से पूछ रहा हूँ, मैम को आंसर दो, मैम को आंसर देना।
Do you have a problem?
मैं मैम से पूछ रहा हूँ, मैम को आंसर देने दो।
No. Why will I have a problem?
Continuously you're speaking. Don't you have any manners or etiquettes? How the class is going?
That's what everyone is doing.
No, that's not everyone is doing.
That's what everyone is doing.
Behave
No one is
yourself.
waiting for their turn.
भाई मैम कुछ
Everyone
बोलने
is
सुनो।
intervening
You're
in
from
the
which
other
school?
person's turn.
अंकित भाई मैम बोले
You're
सुनो
from
पहले।
which school?
Mount St. Mary's, Delhi, Kent.
It's where?
Delhi.
Really, you're from Delhi?
Yes.
This is how Delhi students speak.
So what wrong have I done? Everyone is intervening in each and every person's turn. No one is waiting
Just
for
listen
their
how
turn.
you are
That's what
speaking.
has been happening. How am I speaking, ma'am?
अंकित भाई बोलने में और बोलने के तरीके में बहुत अंतर होता है भाई।
सही बात।
आपका बोलना आपकी पर्सनालिटी को दिखाता है।
मैम आप पर्सनालिटी बहुत तगड़ी है।
किसकी
Yes,
भाई?
that everyone can see. Okay.
I see you. मेरे
Thank
क्या
you,
मेरे
ma'am.
सभी भाई बहन देख चुके हैं आपकी personality क्या है।
मैम जो लोग डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं उनको
personality
म्यूट
वाली
कर
बात हो रही
दीजिए
है
आप।
क्या यहाँ पे अब?
मैम म्यूट कर दीजिए।
Yes, ma'am. Please do mute them.
Please you say ma'am.
और अंकित राय भाई अब दोबारा ना बोलना भाई।
अच्छा भैया ठीक है।
प्लीज चालू करिए जी चलिए।
Ma'am, should we continue?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What Mahima said that love marriages, love fades away with time. Same can happen in arranged marriage also. It depends upon one's perception and how one's character is that कि वो कैसे हैंडल कर रहा है रिलेशनशिप को। ऐसा नहीं कि अरेंज मैरिज में नहीं फेड अवे होगा। इट्स टाइम के साथ हर एक चीज कोई चेंज होती है, नई चीज आती है। सो इट हैपेंस विद एवरीवन in every relationship, be it love marriages or arranged marriages. It's not that love fades away, it's एज की वजह से जो चेंजेस आते हैं एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज की वजह से ये सारी चीजें होती हैं। सो द वे ऑफ मैरिजेस शुड नॉट बी ब्लेम्ड फॉर दैट। इट्स अपॉन us.
I have one question.
I want to put up a new point. Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please.
In most of the cases, if we are talking about arranged marriages, we can see domestic violence in the form of dowry. But in love marriages, when two partners are already in love and they understand each other, they understand their financial situations, so there is not so much pressure on the other person for or you can say on girl's family for dowry. But in arranged marriages, there are a lot of domestic violence that your parents didn't give us this or that, and there are demands that we want this and this, or we want car and this and this. So that is my point in favor of love marriage.
Ma'am, I would like to add on point that in love marriage, since both the partners understand each other, so there is equality also. But somewhere in arranged marriages, like
there is dominance. Yes, there is dominance of one party.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I would like to add, because I also support love marriage, but it doesn't mean, ma'am, that I defame or dename this arranged marriage.
Anyone?
One more additional point. Wait, one more additional point.
Okay, बोलो तो मैं एक सवाल पूछूं।
So say Ansh.
ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी की एक डाटा आई थी, मुझे ये नहीं याद है 2017 या 18 में, उसमें अभी किसी ने डाइवोर्स की बात कही। मैं उसको एक पॉइंट देता हूँ, उसका मुझे कारण बता दे बस, कि देयर इज 50% ऑफ डाइवोर्स इन लव मैरिज एज 1% इन अरेंज मैरिज। 50 गुना ज्यादा है तलाक की सिचुएशन लव मैरिज इन फेवर ऑफ लव मैरिज। बताए कोई इसका कारण क्या है कि लव मैरिज ज्यादा डिवोर्स होते हैं?
Because in arranged marriage people have
due to the pressure on
in India.
partners.
Wait.
हाँ किसा जी आप सिर्फ
Yes, due to the pressure on both the partners about what the society will think, or in India, you see the girls are not independent as much. Most of the women are housewife. So due to their children, that if I'll get divorced, if I will take divorce, then what will happen to my children? They suffer. That is the reason why in arranged marriage there is less divorce rather in love marriage.
I agree.
नहीं एक
One
मिनट
thing more, Ansh.
अच्छा बोलिए बोलिए
Excuse me.
बोलिए बोलिए मैं सुन रहा हूँ बोलिए
One thing more, Ansh. From which country you have got this data? India itself.
I tell the whole world data, not as India. I told the world, whole world.
So let me tell you. Let me tell you. Yes, of course. Obviously, there is the existence of love marriage in most probability in comparison to arranged marriage. So of course, we will be able to see the divorce cases of the love marriage more.
एक मिनट how you prove that its probability of love marriage is more than arranged marriage? You are 100% sure that there's more probability than love marriage more than arranged marriage?
I said basically the way you said no. The way you said that the divorces in love marriage are more in comparison to arranged marriage. In the same way, I said that love marriage in the whole world is more in comparison to the arranged marriage. Simple.
अभी मैंने किसी का नाम नहीं पढ़ा उन्होंने कहा कि लव मैरिज में आप आजाद होते हो फैसले के लिए एंड डाइवोर्स अरेंज मैरिज में नहीं होते कि आप सोचते हो कि बच्चा क्या होगा ये क्या होगा लव मैरिज में ऐसा नहीं सोचा जाता कि हमारे बच्चे का क्या होगा
अरे भाई कहाँ से डेटा
What are you talking about?
What are you talking?
I really appreciate the way you speak, but bro, I think that your parents are the obstacles for your love marriage. That is what I concluded. I appreciate the way.
नहीं क्या बोला अभी आपने फिर से बोलिए सर
जी सॉरी क्या कहा जी मैंने कहा कि आपके
don't need to trigger someone. We don't need to trigger.
मैंने कहा
कुछ पर्सनल ना बोलना.
मैंने कहा कि आप बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं और आपके पेरेंट्स एक मात्र ऑब्स्टेकल हैं आपके लव मैरिज के बीच में और बाकी कुछ पॉइंट्स मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया जो आप बोल रहे हैं. By the way,
you prove that my parents is obstacle in my love marriage.
No, he's just.
I didn't get any point. You know, you're not factual. You're not factual, bro. You're not factual.
Comments.
You're not taking facts.
Why?
You're just saying कि मैं अपने मम्मी पापा की बात मानता हूँ मम्मी पापा मुझ पे भरोसा करते हैं मैं अपनी मम्मी पापा पे भरोसा करता हूँ. That is what you're saying.
नहीं अपनी बात नहीं की मैंने सबकी बात नहीं किया क्या सबके माता पिता अपने बच्चे भरोसा नहीं करते या सब बच्चे अपने माँ बाप की बात नहीं मानते मैंने पर्सनली नहीं कहा अपने आपको बताइए अर्जुन सेठ जी.
You were talking about only your personal experience, but everybody has a different experience.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Yes.
Literally, we don't have any experience about marriage and love or arrange either. We don't have.
Yeah, but we have seen people around.
We are talking about what we have seen. We are talking about what we have seen.
Oh God.
Look, yeah.
Can we just put up a point that is true for everyone? We don't need to share our personal experiences. We can just put up a point that is true for everyone.
That is what Ansh is doing right now.
And if you are talking against, you must be against, but you don't share your personal experience or you don't share any other data. You just stick to your point that you are in favor of arranged marriage, right?
Yes, I am wholly supporter of पूरा support है मेरे arranged marriage को उसके लिए मेरे को दिक्कत नहीं.
So you just
please tell us that on what points we must speak. Ma'am, can you please tell us that on what points we must speak? Because मैम काफी लोग इसमें हैं जो अलग मतलब जो टॉपिक से हट कर बात कर रहे हैं. तो मैम can you please tell us that on what points we must speak?
Shivam, I want question from
you can spit out the facts. That's it.
Arjun, one minute.
Yeah, you need not to go personal.
आपने मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दिया.
हाँ जी कौन सा क्वेश्चन बताइए.
मैंने कहा उन्होंने कहा कि एक मिनट अरेंज मैरिज में से डाइवोर्स इसलिए नहीं होते क्योंकि वो वहाँ पे वो सोचते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे का क्या होगा. लड़कियां ज्यादातर सोचती हैं हमारे बच्चे का क्या होगा. लेकिन they are in love marriage, they are in love marriage, they don't think
बच्चे
about
की
their
तो
children.
बात ही नहीं हुई भाई।
भाई सुसाइड हो
बच्चा
जा रहा है,
जिसने
तुम
बोला
डाइवोर्स पे ही बात कर
फैमिली की
रहे हो।
बात हुई कि माँ बाप, मेरे माँ बाप क्या सोचेंगे, उसके माँ बाप क्या सोचेंगे, सोसाइटी क्या सोचेगी, बच्चों की बात कहाँ हो रही है।
किसा से पूछो, किसा बताएगी, किसा तुमने बोला कि
यार
नहीं?
you are
बच्चों की बात।
going out of topic यार, please Ansh, stop it यार।
भाई यार तुम मत बोलो यार,
You
बस
are
करो, हो
so
गया।
much orthodox, man.
Not orthodox. I'm not orthodox.
Okay,
We
wait,
don't
I
need
am
to
putting a
pass
point.
judgments.
Please, wait, I
Okay.
am
Okay, go
putting
on.
a point.
I'm waiting.
Yeah,
May I?
please.
May I, if you people allow?
Please.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Sure,
please,
sure.
please.
Okay. So basically, in arranged marriages, we see that our parents try to make equality on the basis of caste. They try to make equality on the basis of status. They try to make equality on the basis of the family relationship. But what about the equality on the basis of the feelings of couple?
Exactly.
Please,
Right.
please tell me the answer.
And feelings respect. The respect that they
बोलूं
have for each other.
बोलूं मैं बोलूं I want
Yes.
to आपने
Yes,
कहा
please.
कि
भाई आउट
सोशल
ऑफ टॉपिक मत जाना बस।
ठीक है भाई योगेंद्र भाई। योगेंद्र जी अभी मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा, आपने मुझे बहुत अच्छी बात बोली कभी।
इट्स योगेंद्र
Again,
नॉट
not
योगेंद्र,
going.
इट्स योगेंद्र नॉट
ओके
योगेंद्र।
भाई, ओके, माफी देंगे, मैं दंडवत प्रणाम करता हूँ आपको।
He's
भाई
so
पैर छू लेना, पैर
tedious.
छू लेना।
Come on.
अब सुनिए ज्योति जी,
Oh my
भाई
आपने
टॉपिक,
कहा
भाई कम टॉपिक।
हाँ मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, सब चुप।
Wait, Ansh,
You need to
Ansh,
speak, na?
हाँ
excuse
यस
me.
यस बोलो
Wait, Ansh,
आपने।
Ansh, please wait,
हाँ
Ansh. There is a humble request to everybody. Please maintain the decorum of the debate. If some two people are speaking, please don't peep in, yaar. Please.
okay, according to you, in arranged marriage there is parents make their social equality, casteism, ये सब की बात आपने की। तो ये बताइए कि लेट सपोज आप मतलब आपने आप पर्सनल लीजिएगा, मेरे आप इस पे निकल गई, कोई किसी ने लव मैरिज किया ना, किया, लेकिन कुछ वक्त के बाद वो वापस उनके माता पिता ने उन्हें कहा कि अब आप मेरे साथ नहीं रह सकते, बट कुछ वक्त के बाद जब वो अलग हो गए या किसी कारण से दरार आ गई, तो जब वो दोबारा वापस आएंगे ना अपने माँ बाप पास, आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे?
Bye. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. We are
Why you
talking.
can't share
We are.
fact? You
अरे
always
just
give.
नहीं
just
इमेजिन
tell
क्यों
me
करना
one
है?
thing.
इमेजिन
अरे
ही क्यों
just
करना
tell
है?
me one.
इमेजिन में तो
Let me ask. Let
And
me
she
ask
always give
something.
भाई
hypothetical questions and answers.
Let me ask something.
नहीं है भाई, सुनो, मैं एक बात
Just
अंकित राय, please do
अरे
go ahead.
रेलेवेंट
Ask
टॉपिक
something.
उठाओ यार।
this guy is not stopping only here.
Let
Just
हाँ
tell
बोलो,
me
सुन रहे
one
हैं, आराम
thing.
से बोलो, प्यार से बोलो, सुन रहे हैं, बोलिए बोलो टॉपिक।
when you are marrying, it's in a, you are in a relation with a girl, not your parents. Why are your answer always based around your parents only? Yeah,
Exactly.
करेक्ट।
Oh, exactly भाई,
Because
exactly।
he gave answer only on his basis.
His basis,
तो
सही कहा।
इसके बेसिस में पेरेंट्स ही आते हैं, इसके पेरेंट्स ही शादी कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहा है ना भाई। अपनी
Talking
बात
about your
करें,
personal
सब
experience.
चीज घुमा देता है पेरेंट्स के आगे पीछे।
Can
हाँ
I
भाई,
speak? Can I speak? Ansh, देखो
बोलो
देखो
भाई।
देखो देखो। I
भाई,
completely
बोलो।
understand. I agree with you. I agree with you. Your upbringing, आपकी upbringing ऐसी हुई है जहां पे हमारे moral values and culture को अच्छे तरीके से बताए। I agree with you. हम आपके पॉइंट्स को डिफेम नहीं कर रहे हैं। हमें पता है कि भारतीय संस्कृति में 16 संस्कार होते हैं, उसमें से एक शादी भी एक संस्कार का हिस्सा है। आई अंडरस्टैंड। पेरेंट्स चूज करते, देखिए शादी चूज करना होता है ना, आप सही तरीके से चूज करो, तो उनको चूज करने दो जो अंडरस्टैंड, जो जिन्होंने दुनिया ज्यादा देखी है। आई कंप्लीटली एग्री विथ यू, बट इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं ना कि जो बच्चे लव मैरिज कर रहे हैं वो गलत है। अरेंज मैरिज में भी तो गलतियां होती है। कई बार ऐसा होता है कि पार्टनर्स के बीच में अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं बैठ पाई, समझे? तो इसका मतलब आप सही, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि पूरी लव मैरिज गलत हो गई। सोसाइटी को देखिए, पता नहीं कितने समय से सिर्फ और सिर्फ अरेंज मैरिज चला रहा था, बट पिछले कुछ सालों से लव मैरिज का रेट भी तो बढ़ा है ना, तो सोसाइटी तो गलत नहीं हुई ना हर चीज में। आप देखिए ना।
बात नहीं, एक मिनट, अभी अंकित भाई ने कहा कि मेरा सारा फर्क जाके कहीं पेरेंट्स पे आके रुकता है ना। अंकित भाई ये बता, मेरा आपसे क्वेश्चन, आप जब
आप
जब
आंसर ना करिए, क्वेश्चन पूछ लीजिए, पूछिए।
हाँ, मैं पर्सनल जाऊंगा, जब आप बहुत ज्यादा मतलब आपको किसी चीज बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत होती है और उसकी जरूरत होती है, तो आप किसके पास जाते हो?
अबे तुम इंसान हो बे, इंसान हो तुम, पूछ कह रहे हो, तुमको कुछ समझ आ रहा है? कब का फालतू का टॉपिक कुछ और चल रहा है, घुसा तुम कुछ और रहे हो।
I have a question to you. Wait, Ansh, I have a question for you.
पता नहीं कहाँ का गांजा फूक के बैठे हो, तुमको समझ ही ना आ रहा हो क्या रहा है।
अंकित भाई थोड़ा सा आराम से, मतलब यू नो लैंग्वेज थोड़ा सा भाई।
भाई पागल हो गया यार ये लड़का, समझने को ही तैयार नहीं।
Think before you speak. What are you speaking?
हो जाओ, मैं अंकित को एक चीज बताऊं। अंकित भाई जानते हो, सुनो सुनो, हमारे यहाँ ना नशे की परमिशन नहीं दी जाती और हम नशा करते भी नहीं। एक चीज जानते हो कि नहीं?
नहीं जानते थे, लेकिन अब तुमने बता दिया भाई।
परमिशन किसी को नहीं दी जाती भाई।
बता दिए भाई, बता दिए। नहीं दी जाती।
Parents are more like a judge, or they are parents. They always grant permission for something.
अंश
हाँ अर्जुन भाई बोलिए।
बोलिए तुम क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो ना कि यार हम जाते हैं पेरेंट्स के बाद, पेरेंट के पास जाते हैं, ये होता है, पेरेंट्स होते हैं, भाई पेरेंट्स पास जाते हैं तो उनको समझा भी तो सकते हैं। पेरेंट्स इतने नहीं होते हैं ना कि वो मानेंगे नहीं तुम्हें, तुमको समझाओगे पहले।
पेरेंट्स का चल रहा है, शादी का चल रहा है। शादी तुम्हें करनी है, पेरेंट्स को करनी है।
अंकित राय,
शादी बिना पेरेंट्स ही कर लोगे क्या?
अंकित भाई, अंकित भाई,
बात बताओ, गलत शादी करोगे तुम्हारी लाइफ दिक्कत में जाएगी, पेरेंट्स की जाएगी।
मैं तुझे बताऊं अंकित भाई,
Silence everyone.
We don't go.
Silence. What all nonsense is going on in the class? Now, whosoever was speaking before, nobody is going to speak now. The others who have not yet spoken, they are going to speak. All of you put yourselves on mute. Those who have already spoken. And those who have not spoken yet, they are going to get a chance to speak now. All the girls of BA and BCA, all the girls of BA and BCA, please unmute yourselves and start the debate. All the girls of BA and BCA, only the girls.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am,
boys,
I'm from
please,
BA. Ma'am, I'm in support of love marriage.
Wait, beta, wait. Yes, Yogendra, what happened?
Okay.
मैम अभी क्या हुआ? 5 मिनट पहले मैम आवाज कट गई थी मेरी, मतलब अभी क्या हो रहा है?
Okay.
मैम अभी मतलब आपने कुछ बोला ना, मैम गर्ल्स को बोलना है मैम, वो तो मैम क्या हुआ अभी बीच में?
Nothing. I'm just saying कि those who have spoken, they're going to mute themselves. They're not going to speak. Now only girls are going to speak. Okay. Both BA and BCA. All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Huh. And boys, just watch how girls are debating. Just see how nicely they debate. Just listen to them and see how debate has to go on. Okay.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm in support of love marriage. I'm from BA, Shivanshi. Ma'am, arranged marriage may be a thing between two families, but actually it is not a marriage. After removing the veil of bride or a groom, you are just another person without any support from behind. You may not be able to call your parents for each and everything. Every small or single thing you cannot call them. Okay, so nowadays most of the weddings are love and arranged both, or at least people are dating with someone they met in matrimony sites to know each other, falling in love and asking parents to arrange for wedding Marrying someone to please parents will be good in case of people who are not good at assessing others. Parents will do this job better, I know, but I agree with that. At the same time, I can also understand your parents wish for you to settle down with someone. I would not advise you to marry someone you don't love just to please your parents. It wouldn't be fair on either of you, and you don't want to another relationships that leaves you feeling some kind of hurt or uh, for especially for this it wouldn't be fair for you also, and for having a relationship with another person with something will leaves you hurt there. That's why I'm in favor of love marriage.
And in love marriage, ma'am, can I add one point?
Yes, please.
In love marriage, there is this mutual understanding for everything and respect, rather than arranged marriage in which you don't know the person exactly more than 6 months, or more than that, like 1 year ago you don't know that person more. So there is less mutual understanding, rather than there is more uh, thopna, like decision thopna, that this has to be done. So for me, love marriage is better than arranged marriage.
Yes, interject. All right.
Ma'am, as Kisa said that in arranged marriage, we know like nowadays arranged marriage is kind of have a modernized that the bride and the groom, they know each other for like 1 year, and then the marriage it takes place. So
Yes, start, beta.
yes, ma'am. Kisa said that in arranged marriage, the bride and the groom, or you can say the boy and the girl knows each other for like 6 months or 1 year, whereas in love marriage there is mutual understanding. But how, as far as I know, that 6 weeks or 1 year is more than enough for one person to know other. And yes, and there are cases that you have known a person for like 7 to 8 years, and then you see them changing. So this time period that people say that you know that person for only 6 months or 1 year, this that is not enough, and that person is not good for you, is totally obligate. You can say it's not the perfect word to say that arranged marriage is not good. You have the person changes. So I think that arranged marriage is way better than, not better, but it is good, because there is the mutual understanding that slowly takes place in the marriage. You try to know each other, what are their flaws, you try to overcome that thing. Love is not liking a person with who is best. Love is loving a person with their flaws and helping them to overcome that, which happens in arranged marriage, and that is why arranged marriage results. That is what I want to say.
I want to add one point. In arranged marriages, you are not forced to marry someone. Two families involved in arranged marriages evaluate each other, and marriage happen only when the two families are compatible with each other.
And what about the compatibility of the couples?
They are given time to
And it
understand
is
each
not
other. They are
always
not
the
forced to
case.
marry.
No, it is not always the case. In many parts of the world, there are girls who are not even allowed to speak on their behalf, that if they want to marry or not, they are forced to say yes, or they are not even asked for it. Their parents decide, and then the marriage happens.
And especially girls marry for the sake of their parents. Sometimes it happens. That's true.
Yes, I wanted to point out that many a times arranged marriages take place because the family is not financially stable in order to keep the girl with them. So that is also a major reason in areas of poverty.
And again, one more point, the same dowry point, that which is very important. It is said that लड़की को की शादी करने में बाप के ऊपर कर्ज हो जाता है. So we make dowry such a big issue that if the boy's side is demanding for money or if for any luxury item, then it is the duty of girl's father to give it. So in this whole process, the girl's family get the girl's family gets a lot of pressure. So again, in love marriage, we don't generally see this. My does my voice clear?
Excuse me. I have a question to my opposition, those who say that love marriage don't last forever. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
That in foreign countries, you might have observed that in foreign countries, love marriage prevails. So, does family not exist there? If you say that love marriage don't really prevails, that don't last forever. So, in most of the cases, we see that in foreign countries, love marriage prevails. So, there exists family also. So, we can say thus that yes, the love marriage last.
You talked about foreign. The US report said that the divorce cases, the rate of divorce in foreign is about 50%.
Which report?
The US report.
What's the name of the organization which basically
You
made
can
this
Google
report?
it. You can Google it.
So basically, there hardly exists the arranged marriage. There is only the love marriage. And it is all about in the love marriage, which may basically go through or may take a form of divorce. There is no other means other than that. And in fact, basically, the love marriage brings two individuals of unrelated communities. They come together in love marriage. They both give rise to a kind of a mixture of, or you can say, the adjudication of new religion. Or you can say when two different religion, two castes come together. So they, just that stereotype mentality of the people that eventually fades away because two different people of different community are coming together.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
सब शांत हो गए.
हेलो मैम, परमिशन दे दीजिए, थोड़ा सा बाहर वेट कर रहे हैं.
What?
मैम एंटर नहीं हो पा रहे मीटिंग में सब.
कौन?
मैम 2-3 लोग हैं. रिक्वेस्ट
कौन है?
आया. मैम अंकित राय और भी हैं एक भी दो.
Okay, anybody else is there? Anybody else wants to speak any other point? Anything?
हम लोग कंटिन्यू करें, मतलब सबको ही।
हाँ, if you have any point, please speak fast. Yes.
Ashutosh, where it is mentioned that it is compulsory to live in if the marriage is not working out. Is this any law? No, no, don't take what everyone, don't take what everyone's saying that. Don't take what everyone's saying. One question, general question. पर्सनली मत लेना, मतलब ऐसे ही पूछ रहा हूँ, मम्मी पापा अरेंज मैरिज है या लव मैरिज है? उनके बीच में अंडरस्टैंडिंग कैसी है? अच्छी थी? सॉरी.
Don't go personal, please.
सेम मिस्टेक्स नहीं कर यार।
That's why ma'am said no personal questions.
Yep.
You people
Arranged
said that.
marriage.
I think, ma'am, shall I give a point? Ma'am, I think, ma'am, what I personally think, because none of us over here who are debating are married. We can only share our experience जो हमने society में देखा है. So, ma'am, what I personally think that whether it's love marriage or arranged marriage, everything, I mean, depends on your input, your partner's input, and the family you live. I mean, अगर आप girl हैं, तो आप अपने हस्बैंड की फैमिली, तो फैमिली का इनपुट वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड. देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु आर सेइंग दैट इट्स इफ इट्स अरेंज मैरिज एंड इट्स नॉट वर्किंग, तो पेरेंट्स की गलती थोप दिया जाता है उन पर. एंड इफ इट्स लव मैरिज एंड इट्स नॉट वर्किंग, तो कपल्स की गलती. ओके, बट वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट्स मैरिज. इन मैरिज देयर आर टू कपल, आई मीन देयर आर कपल्स, बट फैमिली भी एक होती है. वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड इट, एंड एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन, and everything depends on your input, ma'am. Your understand, I mean not your, I mean couples understanding and families understanding. Ma'am, आप बैठ के sort out भी कर सकते हैं. And we can't say, I mean, ma'am, मैंने life में, I have in my life, I've seen, I mean arranged marriage को भी टूटते देखा है, love marriages को भी. Ma'am, Jeff Bezos को देख लीजिए, he is such a rich person, richest person. उनका भी तो divorce हुआ, भले ही love marriage है तो क्या हुआ. And I won't take a name, but locality में मेरे एक हैं जिनकी arranged marriage थी, उनका भी divorce हुआ. So, ma'am,
$60 billion.
Ma'am, it's just that key understanding should be there, ma'am. Whether it's love marriage or arranged marriage.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
Right.
Just like life,
Understanding
marriage is
is
too
main,
are
ma'am.
full. Marriage is too are full of uncertainties. So you cannot solely blame arranged marriage or love marriage for the.
And what I got from the point from all of you who are supporting arranged marriages, like and majorly from Ansh's point of view, that he's seeking arranged marriage as a duty to his parents, not moving on in his life with a partner. Like he is marrying only to fulfill his duty towards the parents.
मैं बोलूं?
And one thing more, please. Achha, Ansh, I'll give a chance to speak to you, please. One thing more, that in the entire debate, I have been personally observing that we are putting forth the entire blame on the parents. That parents are obstacle. Even though I'm in the support of love marriage, but you can't completely say that parents are obstacle in place of your love marriage. No, it depends upon you how you convince your parents. They have gone through all those experiences that you are still growing on. So you can't say that parents are like, you have to marry, it is you who has to decide. It's not like that. The parents are the part of your life. You can't completely exclude them from your own entire life. When you face some problem, they always come in forth in before you. So you can't say that it's your life, it is completely you who has to decide. No, please.
Ma'am, I want to add a point, and I completely agree with Jyoti that parents are understanding. Because ma'am, if it won't have been there, so in India love marriage won't have been prevailing. इंडिया में लव मैरिज आगे बढ़ ही ना पाता मैम, अगर हमारे पेरेंट्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग ना होते तो. सो पेरेंट्स अंडरस्टैंड अस, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट मैम कि हम हाउ वी आई मीन यू नो हम उन्हें कैसे मनाते हैं. हमारा डिसीजन भी तो सही होना जरूरी है.
And generally parents disagree when there is an intercaste marriage, interreligion marriage. It is not about their social status. Sometimes it is all about the society also, what society will speak. Just look at Katrina Kaif and Saif Ali Khan. Nobody opposed. Why? Because they have such a status. No is going to speak against them.
Not Katrina, it's
Karina
Kapoor.
Karina, yeah, whatever. I'm not even surrounded by a film industry and all. Whatever.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry. So like, but if you go through rural areas, the family will be just gone eaten up by the society. So it is for the parents also that they are under such threat. They are forced not to allow to their children basically.
And there are many families for whom their izzat, #izzat, is more important than their children's decision.
That's what I have been saying since the start only.
No, please. It's all not always like that. They have to maintain, they have to keep the balance between everything. They have to live in the society. They have to keep the balance.
फैमिली की है ना, गलती उस फैमिली की है ना जो फोर्स कर रही है.
One thing more, that marriage is not just a foundation. Marriage is not a bond of two couples. It is a bond of two family. Okay, so you can't completely say that. Look, even though I'm in the favor of love marriage, but there are some societal concept that we need to agree, that all we need to agree. We can't.
But you only said that there will be a coordination with two religion or two caste.
Yes,
So
whatever you
how
said
it is
earlier,
possible?
you're
It's just completely
doesn't mean
different,
you
I
were-
think.
I'm going.
yes,
I
you
am
are
completely
putting
coming
a
out of my.
contradiction.
Yeah,
This
just
is what
need
I
to-
just. Please let me speak. Let me speak. I'm coming out of my emotion and then I'm speaking. The thing is that I'm not actually in the favor of love or the arranged marriage. I'm just putting forth my idea, my opinion, basically. That's it.
Okay, but here we are not concluding the debate
Yes,
right
it's
now.
not the
It is still going on.
conclusion part. So you're
Yeah.
simply agreeing to our point, and that's what all debate is about.
Yeah.
Ma'am, that's all.
Okay.
Ma'am,
The debate has
time is
been
also over.
concluded. All right. You people have class also, है ना?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am,
एक
before
question है,
going
ma'am.
before ending this
Yes,
meeting, can you
ma'am.
please tell your point of view?
No, I
मैं
cannot.
वही पूछने जा रहा था.
And,
मैम प्लीज मैम बता दीजिए.
अच्छा
ma'am.
योगेश.
Ma'am, because
last time वाले
somewhere
debate में भी
somewhere
आपने
we might be
confused.
wrong, ma'am. Somewhere, ma'am, कहीं ना कहीं हमारे अंदर भी कोई गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन है, कुछ ऐसा होगा जो हम सही डायरेक्शन में नहीं सोच पा रहे हैं. So obviously, ma'am, you are elder. I mean, you are elder. So if you will guide, it will be better.
गाइड शादी करने जा रहे हो क्या भाई?
नहीं भाई, कभी तो करेंगे ना.
Maybe in
I'll conclude later on. Okay. All right.
Okay.
मैम आपकी शादी हो गई है?
I'll conclude later on. Yogendra, one tight slap.
मैम अगर शादी हो गई तो मैम बताइए शादी.
Ma'am, tomorrow there will be the
मैंने.
class at 8.
Yes, it will be. Yes.
Okay.
I'm at
And
8
all of the
o'clock.
students,
And what about the points?
I have this thing. I have in group. I have posted this thing, attendance form. All the BCS students, please visit that and just mark your attendance. Okay. All
Yes,
right.
ma'am. We marked.
Marked.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
मैम आपने पॉइंट नहीं
Thank
बताया
you so
अपना.
much.
Now, what about
What point?
points?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody.
मैम आप किधर थे
Point,
मैम?
point.
लव मैरिज अरेंज मैरिज?
girls 1.
Oh.
मैम आप मैम गर्ल्स में
मैम
डिबेट
सिर्फ
हुई है
BA
मैम।
versus
girls
BCA.
versus boys हो ही नहीं रहा था मैम।
मैम सिर्फ BA versus
Girls 1 और
BCA.
BA and
girls versus
BCA.
boys
They
हो ही नहीं रहा
have
And all the BC girls 1.
मैम
हाँ,
व्हाट?
then okay.
Ma'am, all the BCA girls 1?
All the BA and all the BCA girls 1. Okay.
Ma'am, but debate wasn't going on.
What about the boys? What about the boys?
Why this?
नो मैम, मैम पॉइंट्स के
It's
एस्पेक्ट से
because
कौन?
of you
gender
guys.
discrimination
You
हो रहा है
guys
मैम, गलत
messed up
बात है मैम।
everything.
मैम जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो रहा है, गलत बात है।
Oh, everybody
No
was
gender
Gender
discrimination.
Just
You
listen how
people are
you
the only
people
one who
speak.
messed up.
हाँ तो सही भी हमने ही किया है।
Oh, really?
बहुत सही किया है।
Wow.
शांत होके शांत होके शांत होके।
अगर हम शांत ना होते तो आप गर्ल्स अपना पॉइंट्स ही नहीं रख
बोल
पाती।
नहीं सकती थी।
Oh my
और
God.
नहीं क्या?
आप
Oh,
mute कर
oh my
सकते
God, thank you
High
so
five.
much.
Directly or indirectly, you must thank us. Directly or indirectly, you
Thank
must thank
you
us.
so much.
We
Thank you
just
so
सब
much.
Have a
इंडिया
big
में
heart
चलता
and
भैया।
let you win.
clap for them.
We just let you win.
Just clap for them.
मैम
हाँ।
Just
मैम
clap for them.
मैम मैम
गिर जाएगा।
Be mute for a while, okay?
मैम
All
मैडम
right.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
मैडम मैम
Who is this?
हेलो मैम मैं
मैम
योगेंद्र।
योगेंद्र ही है और क्या?
Yes,
मैम क्लास
Yogen.
खत्म हो गई?
Yes, beta, you have to attend your stats class also, na? Your maths class.
गुड नाइट मैम।
Ma'am, what will be tomorrow's topic?
मैम योगेंद्र को आप नेगेटिव में दीजिएगा आप।
माइनस मिलेगा मैम।
मैम -10।
tomorrow at 8 o'clock.
Ma'am, what will be the topic for tomorrow?
I'll
Ma'am, formulas.
give the
Formulas.
topic in the. Huh?
And let's
Ma'am,
continue.
वो farmer protest is going on na ma'am, farmer laws, which are really
फार्म लॉस
put down.
मैम फार्म लॉ हम लोग भी तो किया
नहीं
था।
पॉलिटिकल नहीं जाना है, पॉलिटिकल नहीं जाना, वहाँ पे पॉलिटिकल अपने आप चले जाएंगे
नहीं, वो
बच्चे, रहने दो,
political
वहाँ
नहीं
वो
है।
टॉपिक नहीं लेना। हाँ लेकिन बच्चे
political
चले
नहीं है।
जाएंगे,
Okay, thank you
वो
so
चला
much.
जाएगा।
I'll drop the topic in the
तो
group.
ये मैरिज वाला
Okay?
पॉइंट भी सही
मैम
है।
लेकिन
you, ma'am.
मैम कल भी ऐसा ही होगा, कल भी ऐसा ही होगा।
नहीं बेटा,
मैम
Thank you
कल
so much.
मतलब सिर्फ बीए वालों की क्लास है ना?
बेटा आप लोग
मैम
की
मैम
at 10
हम लोग की
होगी.
भी है,
Okay?
हम लोग की भी है।
यस
BCA
मैम।
will be having at 10. Okay?
ओके मैम,
Yes.
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you,
All
ma'am.
right.
Thank you मैम।
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम।
गुड नाइट मैम।
My God.